Ever wondered what the smallest bird in the world is? It's the enchanting bee hummingbird, a tiny marvel of nature that calls Cuba its home. Our first stop is size and weight. The bee hummingbird measures a minuscule 2 to 2.4 inches in length. That's about the size of a large butterfly. Females are a bit larger than males, but even then, the weight of these birds is astonishingly light, tipping the scales at just 1.6 to 2 grams. Imagine a bird that weighs less than a penny. Next, we delve into appearance. Males of the species sport iridescent, colorful plumage on their throat and crown, a dazzling display of nature's artistry. Females, on the other hand, are a tad more modest, boasting duller plumage. But both genders share a distinctive feature: long, slender bills, perfect for reaching into flowers for nectar. Moving on to habitat, the bee hummingbird favors forested areas, gardens, and meadows, with a special fondness for places bursting with flowers, a paradise for these nectar-loving creatures. Now, let's talk about feeding. As we've hinted before, these birds have a sweet tooth for nectar, which they sip by hovering in front of flowers and inserting their long bills. But they also have a savory side, feeding on insects and spiders for a protein punch. In the chapter of reproduction, we find that breeding typically happens between March and June. The females craft tiny cup-shaped nests out of plant down, spider silk, and other soft materials. They lay 2 eggs and incubate them for about 2 weeks. On to behavior. Despite their small size, bee hummingbirds are fiercely territorial. They will vigorously defend their feeding and nesting grounds from other hummingbirds and even larger birds. In the flight section, we find that these birds are true aerial acrobats. Their wings beat at an incredible 80 beats per second, creating a distinctive humming sound that gives them their name. Regarding conservation, the bee hummingbird is not currently endangered, but it does face threats. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change can impact the availability of their food sources and nesting sites. Finally, in their ecological role, we discover that these tiny birds are mighty pollinators. They play a crucial role in the ecosystems where they live, assisting in the reproduction of flowering plants. In conclusion, the bee hummingbird might be the smallest bird in the world, but it's a testament to the marvels of nature. From their vibrant plumage to their rapid wing beats, their territorial behavior to their ecological role, every aspect of their existence is a fascinating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world.